As part of the ongoing protests against the killing of the late HNLC General Secretary CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW, Kasur Upai Nongthymmai PYLLUN, also on 11 September 2021, had organized a protest rally to condemn the government of the day for its adamant attitude towards public demand of justice into the killing of the former HNLC leader. The gathering saw the lighting of candles and 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Besides the headman of Nongthymmai, others present were members of the KHASI Students' Union, the HNNIEWTREP Youth Council and the FKJGP Nongthymmai unit, members of the Seng Kynthei and SAMLA Nongthymmai and residents of the locality. In her speech, member of the Seng Kynthei Nongthymmai MP Khyriem expressed her sadness into the death of CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW, who was shot by the Meghalaya police in the presence of his sons and other family members. While condemning the present government for the delay in justice, she added that even though a judicial inquiry had been instituted, yet the final judgment belongs to God. She encouraged the youth to stay calm, to equip themselves with knowledge of the laws of the land and to unite together for the well-being of the society and state. She also said that as far as her knowledge goes, anyone who has committed a crime must be arrested, tried and punished according to a free and fair trial in the court of law.
Kat badang yo thia kata tengim ya ngim pediang ya ni kejing le jong ka sarkar jungi ka sarkar ka batip bahaya ka anya ka kanun hendrai kejing le kalau longkum le ban penyam ben yu merau ya umrat rong ngim le kum ba penyam ya ba CHERISTERFIELD ya umrat rong ida perkhat ngin penyam ne ngin ya te suan ngin ya le kum no ne hendrai ya ubreu urang ba ubariban pek ya kayeng kasam syuwan da kapor ka ba mla ban sungthu mangi ki breu te haga to kapor tip gitu ki balai ban penyap ya tip ki don ka mensim ayu tengim tip ndrai ngiyong ba dai ka mensim marat man susim ya kajing im jong breu klem da yo ban bisar suwa ya to kan dalong hakanu kanu komru ngitip baka an ka don ken ban bisar yang ibaro la ngi le kanu ngito ngi them ngi ya don kanu kijingja siapa Shillong ki thau ki jangi juan kem rasa ke yang bisar na ke yang bisar ngi hablet man kapur ban hajir sakata ka jaka hadu bandala yo ya karai ke bapiang tin rai ha ni kapur ke bamenta kadang kijing songsi ke bakthang hadu kata-kata wa ban suwan ban supenyam kung to yaw way urang ba kalong ka ay bakta ya kay yang kasam ka jong ibaro tenang ni tharai ba katani ki jingya ki jong upai jong Judgement real jong baro kasukala da kadon ka mensiam ka basngaulam kadon ka mensiam ka batrehong kadon ka mensiam ka bapet ya ka ay ka ban lam ya ka jing bahana takari ba ka Judgement real jongi kadai ban kella ya ke jingle jongki siapang yano lada dei kinu ki bale ya ke ai ba kanya ka ai ken rai bat ken le kat kum ka an jong ka jing bisa